Sabah Khair students, my name is Arwa and my channel name is Arwa and Physics. So again one more topic of error and measurement, that is error in a product. So let's understand the basic concept of it. Students, one more thing, maybe some of you are thinking of I have uploaded part 1, part 2, part 3 of this error and measurement. So what is the need of this all to find the error? I already told you why we need to find the error, but why we have an error in sum, error in differences, error in product. So students, many formula uses multiplication. For example, if you want to find the parameter of certain things, so you have to product the two variables. So it means if there is a error in length, so you will write L plus minus delta L, and for about B you will write B plus minus of delta B. So now you have to product it, you have to find the product of the two. So how you calculate error in a product? In my earlier video I told you about error in a sum and error in a difference. Now I will tell you error in a product. Okay, so let's say you have a basic formula which says x is equals to a into b. Students, remember a into b simply means, suppose you want to find the parameter, so it is length into breadth. So you have certain type of formula which says x, which needs to be multiplied. You need to multiply two measured values. Okay, now since it may be possible that there is an absolute error in A, so you will write it as delta. There may be an absolute error in B, so you will write it as delta of B. So it means automatically the product will give you error. So what type of error you are supposed to get in X? So X has error of delta X. So let's write it down clearly. So X plus minus delta X, can I write it? Is equals to A plus minus delta of A. What about B? B can be written as B plus minus delta of B. Correct? Now students, what you have to do, can we do one thing? This is my equation. Okay, since I'm turning my page, I will again rewrite the equation for you. X plus minus delta of X is equals to A plus minus delta of A multiply by plus minus delta of B. Fine. Now students, can I do one thing? Can I take out A and B as common? Because A and B are my main measured values. Okay, so can I write equation 1 like this? X plus minus delta of X multiply by X upon X is equals to A plus minus delta of A multiply by A upon A. Similarly for B, B plus minus delta of B multiply by B into B, both numerator and denominator. You will wait for few minutes. In few minutes you will get why I am doing so. In the first bracket, can I take out X common? Yes. So my I am left with X delta X of X. Correct? Can I take A common? It is not 9, it is A. Okay, 1 plus minus delta A of A. And can I take out B common from here? So I am left with 1 plus minus delta B of B. Okay students, fine. Now can I write as A into B? Since it is in product, doesn't make a big difference. But now look, 1 into 1, if you multiply you will get 1. 1 into delta B, so you will get plus minus delta B of B. Similarly, if you multiply delta A with 1 plus minus delta A over A, you can multiply delta A to this and delta A to this, as we multiply it 1 with 1 and 1 with delta B upon B. So delta A upon A multiply with 1, and plus minus plus 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 and minus minus minus. So can I write delta A over A delta B over B? Okay, so this is my product, and here I am with X plus minus delta X of X. Okay students, fine. Now students, carefully notice one thing. if you compare both sides, if you compare error with error and the main product with main product, you will get what you will get. uh, Look, in my first equation what I write, it is at AB. A into B means AB, so can I write AB as x1 plus delta x of x is equals to x, and please just copy down the upper bracket as it is. Okay, so students, this to this cancels out. Fine. So what I will get, 1 plus minus delta x of x is equals to 1 plus minus delta b over b plus minus delta a of a plus minus delta a of a and delta b of b. Correct? So 1 to 1 cancels out, and here again I will get delta x of x is equals to delta b over b plus minus delta a over a. Now students, what about this one? Look, it is error. Look, delta a of a is what? Error in the measured absolute error of a. You have measured certain a, measured value is a, and error you got delta a. So error is very small. Let's say you are getting 0.2 error in delta a, right? Let's say. And since this is, and the product it with delta b over b, so this is also small. Let's say it is also 0.3 something. So the product of delta a and delta b will give you 0.06 over a into b. Since a and b is large, denominator is greater as compared to numerator, so answer will be very small. So can we neglect this part? So we just neglect it as it is very small. Okay, yes. If you get delta a is equals to 0.2 error, delta b has 0.3 error plus minus, so the product will be 0.06. Look at the product is so small, and a into b, since denominator is greater, a and b, you will get larger value, measured value, let's say it is 5 and let's say it is 6. So answer will be very small. So we just neglect this thing and we are left only with this. What does it say? It means if you have delta x over x and just take out plus minus common, so you will get delta a over a plus delta b over b. So students, this is the maximum possible value. So if you have certain problem in which you are required to multiply the two values, and it has the two value itself has some errors in it, so the formula to calculate the error is this. In the product you will calculate with this. Now I know you want one numerical on it, so please be with me. In next part definitely I'm going to give you one numerical. So thank you so much for watching the video. Khuda Hafiz.